Hello, this is Molly from Lessons by Molly. I'm here today to show you my coin capture game. But before I get started, I have to let you know that I absolutely love these plastic heart containers that I purchased at Walmart. There are 12 in a package, and they come in 3 red, 3 light green, 3 pink, 3 purple. I absolutely love the colors. I'm already filming this in February, so if you're interested in this seasonal product, you'll have to hurry to Walmart. Otherwise, they'll be gone. I am using the heart halves containers in my game, but you could cover up the spaces with something else. This game is great for first and second graders who already have background knowledge with identifying their coins, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, as well as knowing the value of each of those coins. To play the game, I'm going to cover each spot with the corresponding coin. If you have your students do this, you want to make sure that they know that it doesn't matter whether it's the head side or the tail side that's up. Otherwise, they'll be wasting a lot of time. Also, you might want to mention to them that they don't have to get the coins exactly lined up. I can just put that one like that on that space. Otherwise, they'll be wasting more time. They just need to get it within the heart. Now that I have all of my spaces covered with coins, I'm going to cover them with the heart containers. Now, as you can see, I'm using real coins, but you could use play money with this game. So this is what my heart container looks like. And I've taken it off and I'm just using the larger half. So now I'm going to cover up my spaces. And I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm just randomly covering them with whichever heart I have handy. This game is for 2 players, and each player will need to start the game with 6 tokens. So we're going to call the blue chips the player A, and we're going to call the person with the green chips player B. You can use anything for your tokens as long as they're small enough that they're going to fit underneath the hearts. They also need to be relatively flat. Using a big cube is not going to fit in terms of its height. You could use mini erasers. You could use ceramic tiles. You just want to make sure that it's clearly identifiable who the 2 players are with their tokens. And if you have students that have color deficiency, you're not going to want to use 2 different colors. You're going to want to use 2 different objects. So that they can clearly understand which players is which. Okay, now something else that each player needs are 2 quarters. So we're going to put these 2 quarters here. The object of the game is to capture as many coins as you can. The winner will be the one with the greatest value of coin. So we're going to start with player A. He's going to lift this spot, and he's going to take the nickel, and he's going to replace the spot with a token. Now it's player B's turn. He's going to lift a heart, take the coin, and replace it with a token. It's back to player A's turn. He's going to lift a heart, take the dime, and replace the spot with a token. Back to player B, he's going to lift a heart, take the penny, replace it with a token. Back to player A, he's going to lift a heart, take the coin, replace the spot with a token. It's back to player B's turn. He's going to lift a heart, take the penny, replace it with a token. Now so far everything's going really well, but it's back to player A's turn. And this time he's going to forget that there already was a token in this spot. So he's going to lift it up and it's his token. So there's going to be a penalty. You'll decide what the penalty will be. You can have it be that he loses a turn, or you can have it be that he has to pick one of his coins to give his opponent. Or you can have it that the opponent gets to pick the coin. But in my game, we're going to just say that his penalty is he's not losing a turn, but he's losing a coin of his choice. So if he can evaluate which of these coins is the least value, he's going to select the nickel to give his opponent. And then he's going to recover the spot. This game has a bit of luck in that you might be lucky and lift a heart that has a dime, but you also have to have some skill in remembering where the tokens were placed, as well as knowing the value. So we're back to player B's turn. He's going to lift a heart. He's going to take the coin. He's going to replace it with a token. Back to player A. He's going to lift a heart, take the coin, replace it with a token. Back to player B's turn. He's going to lift a heart, take the coin, replace it with a token. Back to player A's turn. He's going to lift a heart. I think there's already a token there. And there was, so he gets the same penalty as before. He has to pick one of his coins. The lowest value one is a dime. He has to give it to his opponent, and then he has to recover. Now, as you can see, player B has one token left, and player A has two tokens. But the game is over with when one player is out of tokens. Let's see if this player will get out of tokens. He takes the coin, he replaces the spot with a token. The game is over with because player B is out of tokens. Player B gets an additional bonus because he was the first out of tokens. He gets to lift all of the spots, and if there are any remaining coins, he gets to take them. Okay, now we're going to get to the student accountability piece. This is where the two players calculate how much money they have. Each player is going to need a sheet like this. The top part of the sheet is just a model to show them how to calculate. So let's say we're going to calculate the money that player B has. He has 2 quarters, so he's going to put 25, 25, and 50. He has 2 dimes, so he's going to put 10, 10, and 20. And he captured all 4 nickels, so he's going to put 5, 5, 5, 5, and 20. And he has all 4 pennies, so 1, 1, 1, 1, and 4. And then he's going to add these up and get a grand total. Player A would do the same thing on his sheet. He would have 2 quarters, which would be 50, and 2 dimes, which is 20. So his total would be 70 cents. The students then can submit this sheet to their teacher as their accountability piece. I hope that this explains my game. It also comes with a black and white game board. I printed this on cardstock paper, and it also has a black and white recording sheet. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.